Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I got a really cool ringtone package to show you guys. This is from Cydia, and it's basically all of the advertisement music from various Apple products like the iPhone, the iPad mini, the regular iPad, also the iPod touches, and even the MacBook Pro. So this is a very cool ringtone pack in my opinion to have on your device. So I'm going to go ahead and go into sounds and go to ringtone, and I'm just going to demo some of these ringtones. I really like them. So let's just go through a couple of these.
Two of a kind. For your information, we're two of a kind. Two of a kind. It's my observation, we're two of a kind. Like peas in a pod.
So there you go. Again, that is called Apple Ad Ringtones. Again, it's from Cydia. I'll leave all of the package information in the description, so be sure to refer that if this is something you'd like to install on your device. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to throw me a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want to see more reviews like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.